Hello, my Sparries. It's Keisha Simpson. And sorry, I'm reversing. And I have not been doing any I haven't been doing any YouTube videos in such a long time. Every time I promise you guys that I will be throwing up a video like twice or at least once or twice per month. At least once or twice per month. I haven't been able to do that because of other stuff that came up. And I just started, again, a new job. I know I've been going through a lot of jobs, but I have like a goal that I'm working towards. So I started from the bottom and I worked myself up and up and up and up. So yeah, so far so good with this one. The other one was like mainly manly and it pays well and everything, but it was very, very stressful, super stressful. I love the people that I work with because when I got this opportunity, they had a party for me, and I really love them and I miss them right now. So now I have like two sets of families that I used to work with, not families, but like companies that I used to work with that I take as a family, and I really, really, really love them. And I know if anything I can always go back, but this opportunity that I got is like right there what I actually wanted or was planning to go back to school to do in September. So an opportunity came up. I did not have the experience. I do not have the credentials, but I applied and yeah, I got it. And I've been working there for about 2 weeks now. So I'm going to do a lot of updates and stuff like that. And my mom came to visit, and there's a lot of like plus going on with her and her husband and their families, and the husband daughters and stuff. And we got in an argument that almost kicked a gal in our face. Come disrespect my mother. Nobody come disrespect my mother. She brought me here, but so far so good. Excited about this job that I'm doing. Not always in the office. I'm out most of the time I spend in the office, but about a day I spend outside of the office on the field, and that's what I really, really like about this opportunity. And yeah, so this is my second week, my second Friday there, and I'm a little bit dressed down. You cannot dress too much down. It's extremely strict on how you dress. The only time that you can dress down really is when you're going on the field, and no one really, like, you're seeing customers and stuff, but you have to be comfortable in your RDAT and your what they call it, steel toe boots. But it's an awesome opportunity, and I'm grateful for it. And yep. So I'll be doing a lot more vlogging because I honestly cannot find the time. Like, I do videos, but I just can't find the time to edit. Yeah. And you know what? When you edit, your videos are really good. Yes, sisters. Yeah, so when you edit, it's make it look more professional. But throughout professionalism, I'm gonna throw that out. And how about we do some real vlogging? Yeah, but I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, a great weekend, because it's the weekend. Yep. And this is gonna go up as soon as I finish doing it, because there's no time for editing. All right, love you guys, and I'll check back in with you probably on Monday. So stay tuned for some of my vlogging that I will be doing. Have a fun day, fun weekend. Bye.